Today, we are diving into a world of convenience that most people don't even realize is possible within their favorite messaging app. We deal with documents every single day, whether they are school assignments, business contracts, or private banking statements. Usually, when you need to secure these files, you have to go to a third-party website, upload your sensitive data to a server you don't own, and hope they don't keep a copy. But today, we are changing that. We are bringing the power of a full-scale document processing suite directly into your WhatsApp chats. To pull this off, you absolutely must have the TCT bot deployed. If you haven't done that yet, go back and watch my previous deployment guides because this bot is a total game changer for anyone who values their digital sovereignty. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of PDF manipulation, I want you to step back and think about the sheer scale of what this bot can do for you. Imagine having the power to see messages even after they've been deleted using the anti-delete feature. Imagine being able to save and view once photos and videos as many times as you want using the anti-view once module. Imagine being able to see what was in a message before it was edited, giving you perfect transparency. These are not just fantasies, these are all built-in features of the TCT bot, and today, I am going to show you how to get all of this, and more. This bot isn't just about utility, it is about taking back control of your conversations and your data. And today I am going to show you how to encrypt or decrypt and even put watermark on PDFs easily using the specialized PDF tools manual built right into the system. Let's start with the most critical feature for privacy, encryption. We've all been in a situation where we need to send a document that contains sensitive info like an ID number or a password, and we don't want just anyone who picks up the recipient's phone to see it. This is where the PDF encryption command comes in. Note, the commands are shortened. So, check on your screen and see how I write them. To use this, you simply find the PDF you want to lock in your WhatsApp chat. Swipe right on that message or reply to it, and then type PDF encrypt followed by the password of your choice. Remember, the command starts with the default prefix which is normally a dot in case you had not changed it. For me, I just started writing the command without prefix because I changed it from dot to null. Now let's continue. For example, you could type PDF encrypt followed by password which for simplicity, I will use 1234. The bot immediately gets to work, downloading the file, wrapping it in a high-level encryption layer, and sending it back to you. Now, that file is a digital vault. No one can open it or print it without that exact password. This is professional-grade security handled in seconds without ever leaving the chat screen. Next, we have the opposite problem, decryption. Maybe you received a bank statement or a protected work file and you want to remove the password so you can store it more easily or merge it with other files. If you have the password, the TCT bot makes it a breeze to unlock the document permanently. Again, you just reply to the locked PDF and use the PDF decrypt command followed by the current password. For example, I will use the file that I just encrypted. If the password is 1234, you would type PDF decrypt followed by the password which is 1234. The bot will use that key to strip away the encryption and return a fully accessible, password-free version of the document to the chat. It is the ultimate tool for managing your digital archives without needing to download heavy software on your PC or phone. But what if you aren't worried about passwords? What if you are a creator, a freelancer, or a business owner who wants to make sure your work isn't stolen or shared without credit? That is where the watermark tool comes into play. Adding a watermark is the best way to claim ownership and prevent unauthorized use. The command for this is PDF watermark followed by the text you want to appear on the pages. For instance, if you have a draft of a project you want to send to a client but you want to make sure they know it's a draft, you would reply to the PDF and type PDF watermark draft, or you can write anything you wish. The bot will take that text and stamp it diagonally across every single page of the document in a professional, semi-transparent style. It doesn't hide the content of the PDF, but it makes it very clear who the document belongs to and what its status is. It's perfect for adding confidential stamps or your own brand name to your files. Using these tools is as intuitive as talking to a friend. The workflow is always the same: find your PDF, reply to it, and give the bot its orders. Whether you are an owner of the bot or a pseudo user with the right permissions, These commands turn WhatsApp into a mobile office. You don't have to worry about your files being stored on random web servers because the processing happens within your bot's environment. This is the level of efficiency we should all be aiming for in. The TCT bot continues to prove that it is much more than just a chat assistant. It is a comprehensive toolkit that protects your privacy, manages your media, and simplifies your most common technical tasks. Once you start using these PDF features, you will realize how much time you've been wasting on other platforms.